Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install Badoo in your Android device. Now let's begin. I'm simply gonna open up the Play Store application in my mobile device. Here's the Play Store. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Right here in the search box, I'm simply gonna type Badoo. Once you've typed it, simply hit on enter. Well guys, these are the search results. Right here, as you can see, this is the Badoo dating app. You can install it from right here if you click on this install button. Else, if you want detailed information, click on this tab right here. You will then be redirected in this page. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided like data safety, ratings and reviews, but right now we simply want to install. Right here is the install button, simply click on it. Do note that your installation speed might vary per your internet speed. Well, as you can see, it's being installed in my mobile device. As you can see, Badoo has successfully installed in my mobile device. I'm simply gonna hit on open. And guys, that's it. That's how you install Badoo in your mobile device. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.